Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV voice assistant history using Google Takeout detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Takeout website. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, you will see a list of Google services. Scroll down the list until you find Google Assistant. Check the box next to Google Assistant to select it. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Next Step button. You will now see options for how to customize your export. Choose your preferred file type, such as .zip or .tgz. Select the delivery method for your data. Decide if you want to receive a download link via email or add it to cloud storage. Choose the frequency of the backup. You can opt for a one-time archive or choose to schedule regular exports. Scroll down to the file size option to set your preferred size for downloadable files. Select the maximum size of the archive files you wish to create. If the size exceeds your choice, multiple files will be created. Once you've made your selections, click on the Create Export button. The export process will begin, which may take some time depending on the amount of data. You will receive an email notification when your export is ready to download. Check your email and click on the link provided to access your data. Download the archive file to your computer. Extract the contents of the file once it has been downloaded. Locate the folder that contains your Google Assistant voice history. Review the data to ensure everything you need is present. Store this backup in a safe location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.